Hey, Gretchen Yui here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share the ultimate guide to LifeWave on a budget. And if you've been curious about LifeWave patches but think it's too expensive, don't worry. There's no one who likes getting a good financial deal on purchases more than me. And I've got some tips for you that make LifeWave products more affordable. So you're in the right place today. And first, if you're into wellness hacks or improving your wellness and health, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who may also be curious about LifeWave. I'd appreciate that. Okay, so let's dive into this. First things first, LifeWave isn't cheap. And like the old saying goes, you get what you pay for. But buying LifeWave products can be affordable if you approach it smartly. So let's break down the typical cost. So X39 patches, a sleeve of those, which is a pack, has 30 patches. It's a month supply and it retails for around $150 a pack per month. But most savvy users never pay that full price. So you're going to want to know, number one, wholesale pricing. How does that work? Number two, how to share with others to help pay for your products. And number three, how to maximize your patch's effectiveness so you use less and still get great results. So here's the top secret. Become either a LifeWave brand partner or a LifeWave preferred customer. That gives you access to wholesale pricing, which in the case of X39 gets the price down to about $99 per sleeve per month. Now, there's a small $25 annual fee for those types of memberships, the brand partner memberships and the preferred customer memberships. But once you're in, then you can buy any products at wholesale price. And that really adds up to huge savings. And here's another idea. If you're interested in both the X39 and the X49 patches, put the performance bundle on a monthly subscription order. Not only is the performance bundle a good deal, costing $179.95 at wholesale price, but if the performance bundle is sold out of a monthly subscription order, then you're only charged $169.95. So there's a $10 savings. Another idea is, and this one is specific for brand partners, is consider purchasing an upgrade kit or a maintenance kit. Now, these kits are exclusive to our brand partners, and you get the price per sleeve actually below regular wholesale price on those upgrade kits and maintenance kits. Plus, when you're buying in bulk, when you order one of those kits, you'll likely have enough product for more than 1 month, and then you're also saving on shipping. So I love the idea of people doing that. Okay, next idea is stretch your supply. So if you want to make your patches last even longer, I really suggest you work with a qualified LifeWave sponsor and self-experiment with the patches to develop a plan. And it's all about strategic use based on your body's needs. So as you know, and you've probably heard on my other videos or in reading about these patches, consistency is key when you're using X39 and X49. But some of our other patches only need to be worn 2 to 3 days a week for maximum results. Also, if you don't wear a patch for the full 12 hours, as long as it's been placed on clean, dry, healthy skin, you can reapply that. You can use a medical tape or a Band-Aid or something to get it to stick on again and use up that extra power so that you really use the full 12 hours of power. So all of our patches have 12 hours of power in them where the patch is working perfectly as designed. And say for some reason you got your patch on, you're using like an Eon patch or something. You got it on a little bit late one day and you take it off before bed or vice versa. And it still has several hours of power in it. You know, the concern in terms of using it again is it does need to have been on really healthy skin. We don't want to put it somewhere else and drag some kind of unhealthy issue to another part of the body, right? So up next is the idea of earning while you patch. Do you want your patches to pay for themselves? Well, here's how. You can refer people who order patches through your link. And if you're a preferred customer, you'll start earning credits toward your own purchases. That's called the share program. Now, if you're a brand partner, those orders that come through your link will result in commissions. So you just introduce people to LifeWave, you share your story, and earning potential really can be around the corner for you. And there's a lot of us who started as users and became accidental sharers and earn just because we got results, and now those that we've shared with, they're getting results. Okay, my final tip is keep an eye out for special sales and promotions. Sometimes LifeWave offers great special discounted bundles that include free products. So ask your LifeWave sponsor or me if you decide to enroll through me about the best deals based on your goals. And no pressure, just options. So there you have it, LifeWave on a budget. It's totally doable, and you don't have to break the bank to experience better health and wellness. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video with anyone who needs affordable health solutions. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. And if you don't already have a LifeWave sponsor, please reach out to me and I'd be so honored and grateful to guide you. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you the next time. And until then, stay well.